We're Sync, we've worked with Nimlok for a number of years now, and we're back at Bett for maybe the 6th time. This is a brand new stand for us. We used the same stand for 3 years on the run, and we took it to multiple shows, and we actually won Best Stand at HETS last year, so we really wanted to up our game with this one, and we think we've managed to do it. We've reused a few of our engagement activities, such as our case study, RFID scanner. That's always an amazing conversation starter. It really helps us to enhance those conversations and keep them going. This year we've added an extra Lego engagement, which has seen a lot of traction, and it's been a lot of fun for everyone.